Rivers crisis. Fubara is PDP's leader in Rivers, not Wike, says Bode judge. Political tensions continue to escalate in Rivers State, Nigeria, as the conflict between Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his predecessor Nyesom Wike deepens. On Monday, the situation took a concerning turn when several local government secretariats were set ablaze, just as newly elected officials were preparing to assume office. In an exclusive interview with Channels Television's Politics Today, prominent PDP chieftain, Chief Bode George, called for urgent reconciliation between the two political figures. George emphasized that Governor Fubara, not Federal Minister Wike, is the rightful leader of the People's Democratic Party in Rivers State. The PDP Board of Trustees has already initiated peace moves. According to Chief George, efforts have been made to meet with both parties, with Minister Wike indicating his willingness to engage in dialogue upon his return from China. Stay informed on related news on the Rivers State crisis on NaijaNews TV as more information becomes available.